Yo, this is Cameron from Evolution Tactics. Today I'm going to be showing you some upgrade parts that I'm going to be using. This is going to be my upgrade motherboard. It's a Gigabyte G1 Sniper. It costs a lot right now, but it's gone down a little bit as I've been watching it. Now, this isn't an upgrade part, I just need this because our router is upstairs, and we can't bring it downstairs, so I'm gonna get that. Or I might get this other one. What the difference is, the other one has a little cord that you can place it somewhere else. So, yeah. I'm getting an anti-static wrist strap, so I don't shock the components and then just destroy everything. I might get this graphics card. So I've heard good things about this card. Um, or this one. I've heard good things about this one too. It's already overclocked, so it might be a little bit better. I don't know. If you guys know, just tell me. Um, Now I might pick this liquid cooler, this one, or I might pick this one. It depends on my case if it'll fit this, because once I get my case, I'll measure and see if this will fit in, or if I have to use the other one that's just one like fan place. I'm gonna be getting this chair. It actually looks really comfy. Um, I'm getting this headset. I mean, it it's really big. It has 4 speakers, one speaker right here, one speaker right here, one speaker right there, one speaker right there. Um, it's true like audio, not like a headset for a game. Here is the case that I'm getting. Now I think the dual cooler one will fit up there. I think it will. I don't know. I'll have to wait and see. And then I got this light. I'll get this light after first build my budget build. If you want to see that, just go and watch my budget build. Um, Hold on one second. So the difference between the radiators is this one, it's not as long, so there's not as much surface area, but it still works good. This one, this has more surface area. See how it's longer? So that means it's more surface area. And then I'll have fans pushing it out of the case instead of like a air cooler that will just blow it out all over everything else. So that's why water coolers are better. Um, so yeah, guys, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Um, I would appreciate it if you would. So yeah, guys. Please watch some of my other videos, and thank you guys for subscribing. And yeah, thank you. Bye.